They say something funny. Hi.
I woke up and I got fresh as hell on a Monday.
Hi. Hi.
Shoot me in the hole, I shoot you in the throat.
It's a very valid. Lost my throat. What was that? Huh? What did it shoot at?
I don't know.
Dude.
I just know past. Where's your arm protection? Where's your arm protection?
Isn't it a long stick? Stick. Slide. Oh my. That's literally so perfect. Wow, this is really hard with bugs. Huh? Yeah. You can just take it. Anything's free, you can just take it.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah, that's what the government doesn't want you to know. I'm literally the smartest man on the planet.
Thanks, Mom. Thank you.
Oh my god. 13-inch bicep. At least say something funny.
Hi.
Okay, you're out of the video.
That look cool.
Yeah, you look fucking cool, dude.
My mom bought me this gift.
Oh my god, is that Helldivers? Oh my god. Because he looks like, he looks cool. Look at him. He's like matched. He's color coordinated. Not like whatever this is.
Black with cruise otter. Yeah.
It's just the shorts are really throwing off the look. Because like bottom half you're like camp counselor, and like top half you're like. That's okay. We're fine with switching.
Can I switch with him?
Oh, please, we want to shoot him.
I'm not gonna run. I'm gonna take a stroll. Hit. You. I'm not gonna live that one down for a while. It's scary as war, dude.
This is the future of America.
Sport.
He's shot in the leg, he doesn't know what to do.
This is the future of America. What do they teach you? In elementary. Alright, today's class is room clearing.
Room clearing and
vocabulary.
Vocabulary, room clearing. At the end of the day, give me like at the end of the day, I'm just like.
How excited are you? How excited are you? Yay! Hit it. Oh. Hit! 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 I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What if you shot drop it?
You too, Ref.
You walk away with the ref look.
Yeah, I just think I'm crazy.
Hi. We're just tactical fashion icons.
Alright? The whole time, me and you?
Right side the whole time?
Right side the whole time, me and you.
We can.
Come on.
Wait, I'm gonna poop you fart.
You left me hanging.
What?
Now it's gonna be on the camera, and now they're gonna think I'm.
No, I can cut it out.
Oh. Just cut like right when I'm like this, and then replace it with that. I can scream the whole time.
shake your body, baby, do that conga. No, you can't control yourself any longer.
Hi. Hit. Hello.
Should be like those rappers that hold the guns like this.
You're peeking out like that. Oh, why is this so heavy?
It's not heavy.
Dude, I wasn't
You can hold it.
I wasn't expecting it to be this heavy.
Yeah, it's a full metal gun.
This sucks. Bitch. Nah, it's recording. Huh? Still 5?
I woke up and I got fresh as hell on a Monday. I can't go to hell, I went to church last Sunday. Last Tuesday I met a model on a runway. She said she wanna run away with me and hit the highway.
Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back you.